Hey you guys, welcome back for color of the day for day 23. Oh my gosh, only 2 more and then I'm completely caught up with my week. I might even pre-record tomorrow's color of the day so that I know I'm caught up. Anyways, so this color of the day is the Sculpting Trio, the Trio Contour Palette. So this is actually pretty awesome and I want to show you why. This is why it is color of the day. It comes with instructions. Ta-da! So this one is the light shade. Ta-da, because, you know, I'm really, really light. And as you can probably see, I have used it quite a bit. It is a cream contour. It's got highlight here at the end and concealer here. So, ta-da! It's like 3 in 1. You got your contour. You got your concealer and highlight right here. It's amazing. And it is all cream, so that's awesome. Actually, I think this is, okay, so, correction. This is a powder. The highlight is more of a, is a cream. It's like a creamy powder for the highlight, but the contour itself is definitely a cream. I don't really use these all that often. I'm really, really weird when it comes to highlight. I almost never actually wear it, but when I do, it usually goes on before my blush. Anywho, but this, as you can see, has gotten used quite a bit, so there you go, ta-da! If you would like to get your very own contouring trio, complete with mirror and instructions, so you never ever forget how to use it, especially if you're not used to contouring, like me. I will leave the link for you guys in the description here on YouTube. Once on the website, go to shop, select face, and scroll down to Sculpting Trio. Yeah. Alright you guys, thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in just a bit. Bye.